Good morning, dear students. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, in my last class, I had discussed about the social differences on the basis of Dharmashastra and Dharmasutra. Now, students, today I am going to discuss with you all the Jati and social mobilities. After that, beyond the four Varnas. Students, so let we will start without wasting our times. Jati and social mobilities. Jati and social mobilities. Students, Jati and social mobilities. The social categories are referred as Jati. The social categories are referred to as Jati. However, while the numbers of Varnas were fixed and there was no restrictions on the number of Jati. The social categories, first thing, the social categories referred as Jati. Students, and according to the Varnas, while the numbers of Varnas were there fixed, and however while the numbers of Varnas was fixed and there was no restrictions on the number of Jati. However, the numbers of Varnas was fixed and there was fixed and there number of Varnas were fixed and there was no restrictions on the numbers of Jati. Was no restriction on the numbers of Jati. Numbers of Jati. Students, number of Jati. Students, Jati who shared a common occupation. Jati who shared a common occupation or professions were sometimes organized into guilds. Jati who were generally shared a common occupation. Jati who were commonly shared same occupation or profession count as guilds. Students, here guilds refers as the professions of Sreni or Vyapari. Okay, students, Jati who were commonly shared same occupation or profession count as guild or Sreni और व्यापार. जो व्यापारी होते थे उनको गिल्ड्स कहा जाता था, जो व्यापार करते थे उनको गिल्ड्स कहा जाता था, उनको श्रेणी कहा जाता था. स्टूडेंट्स, beyond the four Varnas, if we will talk about the beyond the four Varnas, there were populations whose social practices were not influenced by the Brahmanical ideas. Nobody knows the name of Eklavya fathers. Nobody knows the name of Eklavya father. Who was Eklavya? From which dynasty he belonged? Which caste he belongs? Nobody knows. Nobody knows the name of the father of Eklavya. Name of the father of Eklavya. But each and everybody knows the name of the father of Arjuna, Bhim, Yudhishthira or Duryodhan, because they belong from the Varna system, they belong from the higher categories of the society. So each and everyone knows who were Arjuna, who were Bhim, who were Yudhishthir, who were Duryodhan. Students, beyond the four Varnas, not only Eklavya, we had seen many jatis, many social categories who were practicing their other occupation except all those who were categorized under the Varna system. Under the Varna system. Brahmins considered some social categories as untouchables. If we will talk about the beyond the Varnas, beyond the Varna, so Brahmins categorized some categories, some caste or categories, some caste as untouchable, who live their life, who were used to live their life outside the village, outside from the village. Who were they? Like Chandals. Chandals, you had ever seen or heard about them, that Chandal is the profession. Chandal were those kind of peoples who used to for buried और क्रिमेशंस ऑफ अ पीपल्स, दाह संस्कार लोगों का करते हैं। आप सभी लोग बनारस में जाइए तो आपको मणिकंठिका घाट पर बहुत सारे लोग मिल जाएंगे जिनको चांडाल की कैटेगरीज में रखा जाता था। वे अनटचेबल्स थे। व्हेन दे वांट टू एंटर द विलेज दे क्लैप और दे बीटिंग देयर पॉट्स व्हाट दे हैव, चाहे वो उनके पास चाहे वो ताली बजाएं, चाहे वो थाली बजाएं, कुछ ना कुछ इस तरीके से आवाज करते हुए जाते थे ताकि जो लोग रास्ते में हो, गांव के जो लोग हों, वे रास्ते से मूव कर जाएं, वे अपने घरों में शिफ्ट हो जाएं, स्टूडेंट्स। सो ब्राह्मण्स primarily connected with the preferences which they considered pure. Brahmins primarily connected with the preferences which are considered as pure. If we will talk about the Brahmins connected with those profession which were considered as pure. Students, considered as pure. Students, duties prescribed for them according to the Manusmriti. Duties, because the Manusmriti, according to according to the rules and regulations were followed during that time. Students, duties prescribed for them duties prescribed for them according to Manusmriti. Manusmriti was that dharma shastra through which each and rules and regulations followed during that era. उस काल के दौरान जितने भी नियम व कानून बनाए जाते थे वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग बनाए जाते थे? मनुस्मृति को किसमें काउंट किया जाता था? धर्मशास्त्र और धर्म सूत्रों में। स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें जिस स्पेशल कैटेगरीज की, जिस स्पेशल कास्ट की हम बात करने जा रहे हैं वो कास्ट कौन थी? चांडाल्स। What were the duties prescribed under the Manusmriti about the Chandals? We are going to discuss about them. These included handling of corpses and dead animals. These included handlings, corpses and dead animals, These who preferences such tasks known as Chandal. These who perform these kinds of tasks considered as Chandals, students. Considered as Chandals. They had to live outside of the village. They used to live outside from the village. They used to live outside from the village. Usually discarded utensils. Students, use discarded utensils. And wear clothes of dead peoples. Dead people. Wear clothes of dead peoples and ornaments of iron, and used to wear ornaments which made up of iron. Okay, students, which made up of iron. Now students, the observations, जो ये कुरीतियां थी, कुरीतियां क्या थी? When the Chandals wants to enter in the villages, in villages, they used to clap so that the peoples, and children aware about them and shift themselves in homes. Students, what were the observations made by the Fahian and Wensong? These two are both Buddhist pilgrims who came in India during that period. Observation made by Fahian and Wensong. Observation made by Fahian and Wensong. जुआनजांग लिखा हुआ है लेकिन इसको Wensong पढ़ा जाए. What was the observation made by Fahian and Wensong or Wensong? Students, Fahian and Wensong, who are the Chinese pilgrims, both Chinese Buddhist monk, they wrote about the untouchables. Both Fahian and Wensong or Juanzong wrote about the untouchables. Students wrote about the untouchables. They had to sound off chapter in streets so that people could avoid to sing. They used to clap or chopper so that the people used to avoid to sing them. Chinese pilgrims observed the execution and scavengers were forced to live outside in the city. Wensong he observed observe the scavengers and scavengers and executioner used to live outside of the village or city. So students, we had seen about the status of other categories who were except the Varnas, what were the conditions of that peoples among the society we had seen over here. Now students, with these topics I am going to end this session here. We will meet in next topic in next day. Thank you very much.